just to try to sell me. I hate when people do that. I'm actually gonna go up to Minnesota. I'm gonna meet my friend Michael in Nashville. All right, bye. Well, I made it to my first stop, Raccoon Mountain. It's in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and it's super cute. There's a pool area and there's mountains back there. Jeep did awesome pulling this guy. We did really, really good today. And Lulu is so excited to be out of the car. Aren't you, Lulu? I'm not gonna put the levelers down tonight because I'm leaving in the morning. So I'm gonna see how shaky it ends up being, but oh yeah, a bunch of stuff fell out of the cabinets. Not all of this. This is kind of whatever, but it was a little chaotic in there. Set up my sewer line. It's much longer than the one at the KOA. Got my water and electric going. I don't see a spot for cable, which is fine because I'm so tired. I think I'm just gonna go to sleep. Actually, I'm gonna do a run first. I'm gonna do a run and then go to sleep. I am trying so hard to save this spider right now, and he's making it very difficult. I'm trying to lift him through the vent. I took the screen off. Don't look at me. Look, spider. Look. Freedom. I did it. Now with like 100 mosquitoes in. That better be some good karma, man. That was like 30 minutes. Yeah, this is definitely, we're definitely uneven. All right, let's heat up some pizza. What do you think, Lulu? Ooh, it looks so good. Maybe we can get forensic files. Ooh, Lulu. Hello. Okay, I just made it up to my brother-in-law's place in Clarksville. And I'm parking the trailer over there. I'm pretty sure someone just tried to steal everything on the back. So, my little hitch area, like my fire pit, and I don't know what they would do with my sewage line hoses, but that's all that's on there. So I had to put everything inside because they looked super sketch. So there it sits. The AC, I'm pretty sure went out on the Jeep, so I'm gonna go to AutoZone, and hopefully it's just that like Freon stuff that I can refill, you know, put back in there. And then also my earring fell out. This is a placeholder, and I can't put in the stud that I got the other day by myself, so I need to go find a piercing shop and hopefully they can help me. Wish me luck. I'm a little edgy right now. On edge. Edgy? You know what I mean? Okay, here we go. My third try at a tattoo piercing shop was a success. It hurt like hell getting that thing back in. Unique from Black Cat Tattoo. If you're in Clarksville area, that dude's super cool. I wanted to show you everything that I had to put inside because somebody was totally trying to steal it. Oh. This is what? Because the slide out is in. Lulu is wondering what is going on. There's the firewood. I'm pretty sure a giant spider came off of it and I missed him. That's about all the excitement for today. Tomorrow we pick up Michael from the airport and we see Nashville. I was just getting ready for bed and all this water started coming in through the slide out. Like a ton of it. I don't know, ever since I'm like messed with it bringing it in and out, now it seems to be better, but it was like a ton. I'm telling you, like a puddle coming down. Dang, it's a good thing I was in here. Oh, why am I feeling things crawling? I wish I could fit my head in there. Too many crickets. What is happening? Like, no. Look at that bulbous. I love being alone. except for this part. I've been standing here for like 5 minutes. I hate this. I have no idea what time it is, but it's pouring rain, and the rain came back through for a second time. See, he's out on this side over there. It's folded in, but it's stopped right now. But it was bad. It is pouring. It's the next day. The damn rain came through the slide out again. The rubber on the slide out, it starts to bend out. And it's supposed to be bent in, because the one side that wasn't leaking is bent in, I think, or vice versa. So somehow I gotta fix that. Maybe if I just like mess with it enough times, it'll just fix itself. Or I gotta climb on the top or something. But anyway, Lulu's having some car breakfast. Ooh, Lulu. I'm gonna go change over my driver's license and car registration. Okay, not gonna lie, hasn't been a smooth morning. Just resetting. We're gonna get Lou some water for the road. I got a campsite reserved in Nashville, so it's good. And I got a lot done today. I have to remember that I got a lot done. You know when like a ton of little things go wrong and you just keep telling yourself like, it's not a big deal, it's just this. Move on, it's just a bad moment. It's not a bad day. But then like things keep happening and you're just like, okay, all right. What's going on? Ah. Maybe if I just sit for a minute, reset. This is what Mike would make me do. This is definitely what Mike would make me do if he saw me going nuts like this. You sit down, enjoy the coffee, think about all the good things you have. So I have to back up the Jeep to the hitch by myself, obviously, because Lulu's not going to direct me. But just now I pulled up and I'm like pretty damn close on the first shot. I think I'll be okay. Well, I found the reason for the main leak last night. This guy is all folded under. Completely. We're good. Oh man, Lou. Okay. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. I'm soaked, bro. Oh, Lulu, you're the cutest. I think I have to go. I think the ball was to the right. So I need to back up going that way a little. Take 6 or 7. I need to go forward a teensy bit, like that, and now straight back. Okay. Take 8. That's gotta be it, dude. Like if that's not it, I don't know what is. Okay, it's like on but not. One more time going forward, teensy bit. We did it, Lou. Good job. Ah, it only took 10 times. Yes. Okay, let's do the rest. Yeah, it's pouring. How do I know for sure that the ball is in the thing? If it locks, right?
Once you lock it down, when you put that lock down and you try to lift it, if it doesn't come off, you're good.
Okay, then I think it's good. Okay guys, I'm on the road. I'm heading to the campsite. It's called Nashville RV Resort and Cabins. Wish us luck. So our luck turned to what it normally is, finally. Because things have been going pretty smooth. I really need to shower. Oh, it hurts to smile. Oh shit. When the guy was helping me get the stud back in, he had long curly hair and a hat on, and he was leaning over like this and trying to put the stud while I was laying down on the table. I thought he said, "Can you please move my hair for me?" Because he has gloves on, you know, he doesn't want to like touch his hair or face or whatever while he's messing with my ear. And so his hair was like this, and so I went like, I pressed it back. I pressed it back behind his shoulders, and he like looked at me and he's like, "My hat, can you remove my hat for me?" So I pulled the hat back, or pulled it off, and then he like shook his hair back and he's like, "Thanks." Duh, Tina, why would he want me to like push his hair back behind his shoulders? A little embarrassing. He didn't skip a beat though, so maybe he didn't think it was that weird. Keep us awake till the dawn.